itself. So that is the reason I bought into Telugu Warriors, and I'm happy and I'm proud to be a Telugu Warrior. Thank you.
Mr. Joshi, would like to say that we are equally proud and privileged to have you in Telugu Warriors.
Thank you.
Akhil, would you like to say a few words and then probably we'll open the floor for Q&A?
వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ, చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది ఇవాళ. అందరూ బాగా హైప్గా ఉన్నారు సీజన్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందని. వేర్ వెరీ వెరీ కిక్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ గేమ్ టుమారో. ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ అస్, వీ నీడ్ ఆల్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్. అండ్ 1 month నుంచి చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు అందరూ. సో విల్ ఆల్ బ్యాక్ అవర్ సెల్వ్స్ అండ్ వీర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు విన్ ద కప్ దిస్ టైమ్. దేర్ ఆర్ నో గ్యారంటీస్, బట్ విల్ గివ్ అవర్ బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Akhil. So we'd like to open the floor for Q&A. Any one of us here who has any question? Hyderabad media, we're waiting for questions. This press meet is for you also. Please, if you have any questions.
Hi Akhil, I have a question for you. So what kind of diet and timings you're maintaining? Because you must be having shoots also. Yeah, it's for you.
Sorry, yeah.
So you must be maintaining your schedule. How, like, for practicing, how many hours and then shooting? So how, what was your life?
Everyone has been practicing almost 3 hours a day. We played a lot of games. We actually traveled to Mumbai as well to play practice games. So I think for this 1 month, every single player in this team is living the life of an IPL player. We're living the life of a solid, proper, conventional cricketer. And I think Dilip sir will also back that. We've been really putting in the hours. I don't know if whereas we're not consider ourselves as cricketers, and all our cricketing craving and all that is satisfied for this 1 month.
And who's your favorite cricketer, by the way?
Mine, Sachin Tendulkar, obviously. That's a
So you're following on his grounds, like,
sorry.
you follow him.
I
you
can
taking
never
some-
cricket lo pakka anedi like 2020 lo inka there's half chance for any team. A bad team can win against a good team also. One over can change the game. So pakka ఏం లేదు, we'll try our best. మాకు కూడా గెలవాలని ఉంది, సో విల్ ట్రై అవర్ బెస్ట్.
కానీ మీ మీద చాలా హోప్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
సారీ,
జనాలకు అందరికి మీ మీద చాలా హోప్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
మా మీద చాలా హోప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మాకు మా మీద చాలా హోప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బట్ విల్ ట్రై అవర్ బెస్ట్. దట్స్ ఆల్ వీ కెన్ సే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అలాగే అండి, సీనియర్ మోస్ట్ క్రికెటర్ మీకు కోచ్గా ఉన్నారు దిలీప్ వెంకసర్కార్ గారు. ఆయన నుంచి మీరు నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటి? ఆయన ఇచ్చిన కోచింగ్ ఎలా మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నారు?
రియలీ వీఆర్ స్టాండింగ్ ఇన్ ద మిడ్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ లెజెండ్, cricketing legend, and we must we're very honored. Nizanga chala, I'll say it in English so he also hears it. We're very very honored to have him here, sir. Really we are honored, because we're not only gaining knowledge, we're gaining an experience to share, the locker room or the bus with a cricketing legend. Like we said, we're living 1 month, this 1 month like cricketers, so it's a dream come true for all of us. Thank you, Sachin, for bringing in Venkasarkar sir for us. So it's a great honor for us. We're learning so much. It's just about absorb cheyali ee knowledge anta absorb cheyali mano. Not just cricket, as a person, how he's led his life also, we are learning a lot.
वेंकसरकर जी, हमारे हीरोज के बारे में आप क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोले?
Oh, the heroes are excellent actors, but they're great cricketers. Honestly, I think they're so enthusiastic and so high on energy and so passionate about cricket that it's a great privilege to be part of this team. I'm sure we are led extremely well by these two guys. And what I really appreciate about the players is that after working hard the whole day, they come there at 7 o'clock in the evening and practice the same passion. Of course, we played 2 games in Mumbai as well. It's a great experience for them. And I think it's going to be an excellent series, an excellent tournament. And we are very well prepared for that. And I'm sure they will do extremely well in this tournament.
అఖిల్, మీరు మెయిన్ మీకు పోటీ ఏ టీం నుంచి రావచ్చు అనుకుంటున్నారు?
మనకి మెయిన్ పోటీ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ బీన్ కర్ణాటక. అండ్ all the guys, we've all been speaking, మనకి ఒక టీంని కొట్టాలంటే వాళ్ళని కొట్టాలని మనకి. So this season we're out to get them, but it's all in fair spirit. But yes, we're definitely the biggest challenge would be them.
Any more questions?
My question is for Sachin. Yeah. I mean, I just want to know your experience, like how you pamper your coach. Have you tried? Because as a team, somewhere you do some funny moments, and some of the time you're, some moments.
What does he think about our pampering? How do you pamper your coach? So I think Dilip sir would answer this.
Have they pamper you or sometimes disturb you, something like that, your movements?
No, no, Sachin is a very good person. He's a very dear friend, outstanding cricketer. I don't have to pamper anybody, to be honest with you.
They
And
have
they know that
pampered you. They have pampered you, your team.
nobody's pampered anybody.
No, the team has tried to pamper you.
No, they don't. They don't. They're okay. I mean, they are wonderful kids, really. I'm really honored to be a part of Telugu Warriors.
If you have to define out of that who's the best bowler, can you do that like name-wise? Their qualities one by one.
No, I can't really say that. I think who's the best bowler. I think we have got 7, 8, I think excellent bowlers, and we have got batters. If they had not been the actors, I think they would have played for Hyderabad. You know, they are so good. Akhil is one of them. I think he played a great innings yesterday. I think I used to come to Mumbai to my academy to play, and I saw his talent that time. But then I think he got into acting. But again, he has not forgotten his skills. And the way he played yesterday was great innings. I hope he continues in the same vein and when we play our first match tomorrow and in the rest of the tournament. Apart from him, there are a lot of good cricketers in the squad, and I'm sure they will make a mark in this tournament.
My question is for team, for whole.
Cricket team, but unfortunately, I did try when I was young, and I decided I wasn't so good in taking pressure. So, yeah, acting is also a good career, and I love my job. So, I would like to balance it in between cricket and acting, and I would love playing CCL for all my life.
And who's your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricket player, I like Rahul Dravid. I like
One only.
yeah, Rahul Dravid there.
Okay.
At all, because of course they know the game, they have played the game, and they are playing outstanding cricket.
How is the relation with them, sir? They are friendly with you.
Very good. We got excellent team spirit, and they're like friends, you know, and they give 100% to the team. That's important for all of us.
Any more questions, ladies and gentlemen? I think we're done.
Well, I would like to sum it up and thank you everyone from the media to come here. And I would like to especially thank Pride India to be our sponsors and support us, Telugu Warriors. I would like to call everybody on stage.
Cheers. I feel like winning all this.